You know, I was thinking the other day, we humans sure do love our conveniences, don't we? Take a look at some of the things that we use every single day. The TV, the smartphone, the internet, the microwave oven, the air conditioner, the washing machine. All these things make our lives so much easier and more enjoyable. And guess what? Almost all of them were invented in the 20th century. That's right, in just the last 100 years, we've gone from horse-drawn carriages to self-driving cars, from black and white TVs to high-definition streaming services, from rotary phones to smartphones with cameras, from typewriters to word processors and whatnot. We live in an age where technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate. It seems like every day there is some new gadget or innovation that makes our lives easier and more convenient. But have you ever stopped to think about what's driving this rapid pace of progress? What is it that is allowing us to create machines that can perform tasks that were once thought to be exclusive to humans? The answer, my friends, lies in the field of artificial intelligence. Hey there, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to share with you 10 interesting facts about AI that will blow your mind. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn all about the amazing world of artificial intelligence. Number 10. AI is all around us. From the cars we drive to the phones we use, AI is everywhere. In fact, there are over 1.6 trillion AI-powered devices in the world today. These devices collect data from our every move and interaction, which allows companies to tailor their products and services to our needs. Number 9. AI is growing exponentially. The global AI market is expected to reach $390 billion by 2025, growing at a CAGR of 39.7%. This growth is being driven by a number of factors, including the increasing availability of data, the development of new AI algorithms, and the growing popularity of voice assistants such as Siri and Alexa. Number 8. AI is changing the way we work. AI is automating tasks that were once performed by humans, which is leading to increased productivity and efficiency. For example, AI-powered robots are now being used in factories to assemble products quickly and accurately. Number 7. AI is making healthcare more accessible. AI is being used to develop new treatments for diseases and to diagnose patients more accurately. For example, Google DeepMind's AI program was able to detect 50 different diseases from retinal scans of the eye. Number 6. AI is improving customer service. AI-powered chatbots are now being used by businesses to provide customers with quick and accurate answers to their questions. For example, the Bank of America's AI-powered chatbot Erica was able to handle 95% of customer inquiries. Number 5. AI is personalizing our experiences. AI is being used to recommend products and services to us based on our individual needs and preferences. For example, Netflix uses AI to recommend movies and TV shows that we might like based on our viewing history. Number 4. AI is making transportation safer. AI is being used to develop self-driving cars which will make transportation safer and more efficient. For example, Tesla uses AI to power its self-driving cars which can detect objects in the car's path and avoid collisions. Number 3. AI is helping us fight crime. AI is being used to develop new surveillance systems that can help police officers identify criminals and prevent crimes from happening. For example, the police in London have been using AI-powered cameras to identify wanted criminals. Number 2. AI is protecting the environment. AI is being used to develop new systems that can monitor and protect the environment. For example, AI-powered drones are now being used to monitor deforestation in the Amazon rainforest. Number 1. AI is making life easier. AI is automating tasks that we find boring or difficult to do, which is making our lives easier and more enjoyable. For example, we can now use voice assistants to control our homes and schedule appointments. So there you have it, folks. 10 interesting facts about AI that will blow your mind. As you can see, AI is already having a profound impact on our world, and it's only going to grow in the years to come. So it's important that we stay informed and continue to learn about this amazing technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.